Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting by getting hardware ready and removing blockers. First, connect the Xbox to a high-speed HDMI port on the Samsung TV. This ensures 4K and high refresh work. Once done, power both devices and sign into your Xbox, account so settings sync. Make sure the Xbox uses Instant On or energy saving based on how fast you want to boot. You're doing this early because correct ports, cable quality, and power mode avoid display and latency problems later. Now configure both systems for optimal visuals and low latency. On the Samsung, switch to the HDMI input you used and enable game mode to reduce input lag. Also turn on HDMI UHD color for HDR-capable ports. Once that's set, disable aggressive motion processing. This avoids artifacting and added lag. On the Xbox, go to Display and Sound, choose Resolution and Refresh Rate, and enable HDR and VRR if supported. These steps match format. Finish by setting audio and optional streaming paths, then verify. You should pick TV speakers, AVR pass-through, or enable Dolby Atmos depending on your setup. On Xbox, select the matching audio output. If you want to stream Xbox to the Samsung Smart Hub, install and sign into the Xbox app or use SmartCast where available. If something fails, restart both devices, try a different HDMI cable or port, and test another TV. This isolates cable, port, or device faults, usually the quickest fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.